Trent Klarenbach here with Klarenbach Research. It is Friday, June the 14th, and I've got a quick little video for you today. If you are a technical analysis nerd like this guy, or a skeptic like one of my buddies who doesn't believe in technical analysis, then this video is for you. So today we're going to cover diesel fuel, USLD diesel fuel for futures. June 6th, we talked about diesel fuel in my Klarenbach Game Report, and I suggested that we could see a 1 to 4 week rise in the price of diesel fuel, and we became bullish on the short term. Bearish on the longer term, bullish on the short term. So if you had diesel fuel purchases in the next, well, now maybe, it might be higher than it would have been a week ago. So let's look at the chart and see what actually happened after we made that report. So you can see here on this chart here, this is a daily chart of USLD futures. And, we published our report on the June 6th, and we suggested, we actually drew that an arrow here, which actually worked out quite well, right to where we thought a price path could go, and that it might be a good time to buy diesel futures or fuel on your farm at this particular time here last week. Anyways, so interestingly enough, the price came up, and you can see this long wick on today's candle here, suggesting that, the price move could be over in the short period of time. Why is it over at the short period of time? Well, potentially because the green 50-day moving average is acting as resistance, as well as this previous level of resistance. Now, we go back. Let's go way back and see, why is this level important? Well, this level of resistance right here, previous resistance right here, was support back here in December of 23. Resistance in June of 23, again, it was support in March. It just goes on and on and on all the way back here, right? So it's quite interesting. Technical analysis can be very effective when used properly, and obviously a little luck on your side. Let's draw a Fibonacci line on here. You guys know I like my Fibonacci's. We're going to do this from the high back in September down to the low here just, last week actually, a few days after we published our report. And interestingly enough, look at this 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level right here, aligning with the previous support and resistance levels. You can't make this stuff up. It happens all the time. You'll see it on every chart. I encourage you to start believing. Start believing. My name is Trent Klarenbach. It's sunny in Saskatoon. I'm going to a party tonight. Life's good.